Beautiful soul, in this video we are talking about the number one secret that unlocks your overflow, your wealth and abundance, luxury, all of it. Overflow is not about manifesting harder. It's about your energetic capacity to receive and to embody the frequency of wealth. Manifesting is mental. And in order for you to manifest that dream life, that overflow, luxury, wealth, you need to feel safe. Manifesting often stays in the head. Therefore, it's just the mental rehearsal. Therefore, the visualization, scripting, affirmation is not working for you because it's stuck just in that intellectual plane. For you to manifest overflow, luxury, wealth, you need to open up to it, soften into it, relax into it, as I call it. And that is all about embodiment. You can only manifest what you are vibrationally speaking. You have to match the frequency of overflow and wealth in order to manifest it. So the wealth consciousness goes first, and then the outside 3D reality adjusts to it. And so if you are affirming that I am a millionaire, I have luxury lifestyle, and yet your body does not feel safe, in fact you feel scarcity and lack in your body, you are not able to call it in. You cannot really override this regulated nervous system. So if you have any kind of fear or danger connected to manifestation of overflow, luxury and wealth, that's the reason why you actually sabotage the manifestation process itself. You just don't feel safe. You cannot manifest large sums of money if that feels unsafe for you, or scary, or uncomfortable. You can manifest luxury if you feel guilty to receive luxury in your life. You can manifest overflow if you feel shame or any low frequency connected to receivership. Number 3, what's really missing here is the feminine energetic capacity to open up and receive. And this is, my dear, activation of your feminine energy. This has everything to do with that feminine energy in you. Women are so patterned and wired to think that we need to prove, we need to work hard, we need to hustle to receive love or money or success. The truth is, you are already capable to receive with ease when you tap into that beautiful divine feminine in you and you open up to it. The moment you soften and allow that energy to carry you, you will be able to open up and receive with ease. In fact, I have a masterclass called The Art of Receiving. Literally, this masterclass go into depth how you receive with ease and flow. So I'm going to actually link it below in description for you. Number 4, overflow, luxury, wealth comes when you are coherent or in alignment with that desire. So what does it mean? Essentially, you're completely aligned on intellectual level, on the embodiment, meaning the way you feel about it, and then the way you act. So the way you think, feel, and act is in coherence. That's when you manifest overflow. So this is really about balancing that beautiful feminine energy and then the masculine energy if you are an entrepreneur, creating a structure that can hold that beautiful divine feminine and together merging and creating that wealth and overflow. The truth is that the frequency of your field either magnetize that wealth and abundance or it repels. So the field is the key. You are always manifesting based on who you are, vibrationally speaking. No affirmation or visualization can ever override incoherence in you. So the alignment is the key here. It must be healed and harmonized. So let's sum it up. What really unlocks this overflow? Deep safety in your nervous system. Number 2, energetic alignment with your desires. Number 3, an embodiment of your worth. Number 4, allowing, receiving without attachment. So this is the summary, and if you actually wish to go deeper, I want to invite you to my beautiful new masterclass called The Feminine Frequency of Overflow. We are going to have so much fun. Some women already sign up. There's gonna be a link in description. See you there.